What's up, online shoppers? I've got this really awesome little roll-on. This is called Vertigo Ease, and it is a non-drowsy formula, and it is enhanced with all kinds of really nice smelling essential oils. There is your ingredient list right there. Lavender, peppermint, frankincense, ginger, sweet orange, essential oils, all in a fractionated base of coconut oil. That sounds like it's gonna smell delicious. So let's open this up. Comes in this cute little roller ball. It's got the brand name on it right here. Now, I love the compact size of this. This is gonna fit in my purse really easy. Now, this is a support for soothing vertigo. It is the power of nature, all in this little roller ball, and all kinds of really beautiful smelling essential oils to help you feel better. A good friend of mine recommended this to me because she loves to take it when she's on ferry rides or long car rides or on a bus or a train because the smell is really soothing. It goes on really nice and easy with this little roller ball. You can see it's a very easy application. And the smell is fantastic. This is a really nice scent. I remember back in COVID times when we were wearing masks, I used to not like the scent of the masks that we wore, and I used to put essential oils in there all the time. This is a really nice smell, especially if you're gonna be wearing a mask for a long time, or if you're gonna be somewhere where there's unpleasant scents. Just dab it at the base of your nose and you will only smell frankincense, lavender, rosemary, peppermint. What a great combination of scents. I love finding something that is not chemical based to help us feel more like ourselves. The essential oils that are in here smell fantastic. And now that I have put it on the back of my hand here, I absolutely am loving the scent of this. The small little container fits really nice in my purse, and the roller ball makes for really easy application, easy on and off screw top lid, and man, that smell is fantastic. I can see myself using this even when I'm not feeling all that well. The scents are soothing and relaxing and comforting. I think this Vertigo Ease is awesome. I'm definitely gonna try it out on long car trips, and when I take the ferry over to our camp, I think this is gonna be a family favorite at our house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you wanna get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.